Hello tool lovers, welcome to the channel. Don't skip this video. Today, you're in for something special. We're showcasing 20 genius new wood tools every pro and DIYer needs in 2026. From smart innovations to time-saving designs, these tools will upgrade your workshop and skills. Stay tuned till the end. You won't want to miss these game-changing tools. Replaceable Tip Chisel. The Ox Pro Replaceable Tip Chisel by Ox Tools is a smart upgrade for modern woodworkers and tradespeople. Its modular design lets you swap out dull tips instantly, reducing downtime on the job. Built with a durable through-tang steel body, it handles heavy with ease. The replaceable striking cap minimizes vibration for better control. Available in 19mm and 25mm sizes, it's perfect for both rough work and fine finishing, making it a versatile must-have tool. SteadyCURVE, the Woodpeckers SteadyCURVE 2.0 is a precision bandsaw template guide designed for clean, controlled curved cuts. Its lever-actuated magnetic base locks securely to metal tables for stability, while adjustable offset settings leave extra material for final shaping. The vertically adjustable arm supports various thicknesses, and dual mounting positions increase versatility. It includes durable, blade-safe template followers and works with most bandsaws. Built from high-quality materials, it eliminates tracing and improves accuracy, making it ideal for efficient, repeatable contour cutting tasks. Cast Iron Router Table. The Rockler ProMax UltraCast Iron Router Table is a premium workstation built for serious woodworkers. Its integrated router lift eliminates insert plates, creating a seamless, ultra-flat surface for precise routing. The 1 3/4 inch cast iron top reduces vibration, ensuring smooth, accurate cuts every time. Dual speed adjustments allow quick height changes and micro-precision tuning. Snap-lock insert rings swap instantly without tools, while the ProMax fence offers micro-adjustment, jointing capability, and built-in dust collection, making it a powerful, reliable addition to any workshop. FastFix Eccentric Chuck. The Festool 490294. FastFix Eccentric Chuck is a precision attachment built for working in tight, hard-to-reach spaces. Its offset design lets you drill and drive flush against walls or corners with excellent control. Featuring full 360-degree rotation and 16 locking positions, it ensures flexibility and stability during demanding tasks. The Quick Adjust ring allows fast angle changes without removal, while the secure 1/4 inch bit holder prevents slips. Designed for durability and surface protection, it's ideal for professionals needing accuracy in confined woodworking applications. Folding Workbench. The Stanley FatMax FM HT 8152-8-1. Folding Workbench is a smart, space-saving solution for compact garages and workshops. Designed for wall mounting, it folds flat to just 20 centimeters depth, freeing up valuable floor space. The sturdy laminated MDF surface handles tough tasks, including cutting, while the metal frame supports up to 100 kilograms. It also features a pegboard with hooks for organized tool storage, even when closed. Easy to install and lockable for security, it's perfect for efficient, clutter-free workspaces. Chamfer plane. The Saker. Chamfer plane with 6 extra cutter heads is a compact, versatile tool built for precise edge trimming and smooth corner shaping. Made from durable aluminum alloy and P20 steel, it offers excellent balance and one-handed control. Its 7-in-1 design allows quick swapping between profiles, eliminating the need for bulky routers. With adjustable cutting depth, built-in leveling bubbles, and a guiding locator, It ensures accuracy on every pass. The protective edge design enhances safety, making it ideal for both beginners and professionals. Multi-wood jointer, the Wolfcraft. Multi-wood jointer, Model 2920000, is a versatile attachment that turns a standard one-hand angle grinder into a precision biscuit jointer. It is designed mainly for hobbyists and DIY users as a budget-friendly alternative to dedicated joinery machines. It enables flat dowel joints, shadow gaps, miters, and battens with ease. Adjustable settings allow precise control over milling depth and gap width for different board thicknesses. Compatible with M14 angle grinders, it ensures stable, accurate, and clean cutting performance. Lever clamp, the Festool. 577132, MFT-HZ80. Lever clamp is a fast, one-handed clamping solution designed for the Festool MFT/3 multifunction table and MW1000 mobile workshop. It fits 20mm dog holes and provides strong vertical hold-down pressure for flat or round workpieces. The cam action lever allows quick tightening and release, improving workflow speed during sanding, routing, drilling, and assembly tasks. Built from high-grade materials, it offers durability, stability, and excellent surface protection, while keeping the workspace clear and efficient. Paolini Pocket Rules. The Woodpeckers. Paolini Pocket Rules are compact, high-precision layout tools designed for portability and accuracy in woodworking. They feature a unique sliding aluminum stop that locks securely with knurled knobs, allowing the rule to function like a mini T-square for repeatable marking. A self-standing vertical base helps hold the rule upright for easy machine setup. It also includes an integrated marking gauge notch for precise parallel lines. Available in aluminum or stainless steel with imperial or metric scales, it's perfect for professional layout work.
Carbide Tipped 82 degrees. The Eccentric Carbide Tipped 82 degrees. Countersink drill bit is built for precision, durability, and clean results in woodworking and light metal tasks. Its carbide tipped countersink head delivers exceptional wear resistance, capable of handling up to 30,000 holes in solid wood. The adjustable, ball-bearing depth stop spins freely to prevent scratches or burn marks while ensuring consistent countersink depth. An M2 high-speed steel pilot bit with gold coating offers extended life and adjustable drilling depth. Designed to the 82-degree ANSI standard, it pairs perfectly with flat head screws. A 1/4 inch quick-release hex shank allows fast, secure bit changes across multiple materials. Dowel Jig Kit. The Kreg Dowel Jig Kit makes building strong, accurate dowel joints fast and frustration-free. Designed to eliminate complicated measuring and marking, it delivers consistent results thanks to multiple alignment options and hardened steel drill guides. The onboard measuring scale and stop collar system ensure precise depth every time, while the clamp-ready design keeps everything stable during drilling. Built from impact-resistant polymer, the jig is durable enough for shop or job site use. With integrated storage for accessories and versatility for corner, edge, and miter joints, it's an ideal solution for cabinets, furniture, and everyday woodworking repairs. Thin Rip Jig the Saker. Thin Rip Jig Table Saw Guide is a must-have accessory for woodworkers who demand accuracy, safety, and repeatability when cutting narrow strips. Built from CNC, machined anodized aluminum, it delivers rock-solid stability and long-term durability. Its precision roller bearing system allows smooth forward motion while actively preventing kickback, making thin rip cuts safer and more controlled. With fine adjustment down to 1/32 inch, clear metric and imperial scales, and wide T-slot compatibility, this jig is perfect for cabinetry, trim work, and detailed projects. The slide set lock design ensures fast setup and consistent results every time. T-Bevel gauge. The Preciva T-Bevel gauge and Protractor blends classic craftsmanship with modern digital precision, making angle measurement fast, accurate, and hassle-free. Its large LCD screen delivers clear readings with up to plus or minus 0.3 degrees accuracy and fine resolution for demanding tasks. Built with a stainless steel ruler and durable ABS handle, it's designed for long-term workshop use. The locking knob ensures angles stay put, while metric and imperial scales add flexibility. Smart features like hold, zeroing, reverse display, integrated levels, and auto power off make this tool ideal for woodworking, metalworking, and precise layout jobs. Stackable featherboards. The POWERTEC. Stackable featherboards are a smart, safety-focused upgrade for any woodworking setup. Made from durable, impact-resistant polymer, they apply consistent pressure to keep stock firmly against the fence or table for cleaner, more accurate cuts. Their innovative stackable design eliminates the need for spacers, making them ideal for taller workpieces. Angled fingers reduce kickback while maintaining smooth feed control. With dual mounting options for mitre slots and T-tracks, plus easy grip star knobs for quick adjustments, these featherboards work seamlessly on table saws, router tables, band saws, and jointers, boosting both precision and safety. Multifunctional project table. The POWERTEC multifunctional project table is a smart portable solution for DIYers and woodworkers who need a reliable work surface anywhere. Its foldable, lightweight design makes transport and vertical storage effortless, while the heavy-duty steel frame delivers impressive stability. The durable tabletop features a universal 3/4-inch bench dog hole pattern, allowing compatibility with a wide range of clamps and accessories. With imprinted metric and imperial measurements, precise layout is quick and easy. Designed with safety locks, self-leveling feet, and a wide leg stance, this table supports demanding tasks like cutting, sanding, clamping, and assembly with confidence. Wood glue dispenser, 16 ounces bottle. The Fastcap. Wood glue dispenser, 16-ounce bottle, better known as the GlueBot, is a game changer for clean, precise glue application. Its patented 2-chamber, no-drip system creates a vacuum that pulls excess glue back into the bottle, keeping the tip clean and clog-free. With interchangeable Yorker and blade tips, you can apply fine lines or wider spreads with total control. The bottle works vertically or horizontally, features a wide mouth for easy refills, and has a stable base to prevent tipping. Durable, efficient, and mess-free, it's ideal for hobbyists and professionals alike. Countersink drill bit set. The EZARC. Countersink drill bit set delivers precision, durability, and versatility for woodworking and metalworking projects. Crafted from high-speed steel with titanium nitride or black oxide coatings, these bits resist wear and corrosion, Featuring an optimal 82-degree angle, they ensure perfect flush countersinking for flat head screws. Woodworking sets use a 4-flute design for smooth, fast chip removal, while metal sets employ 5 flutes to minimize vibration and improve finishes. Adjustable depth control, a universal 1/4 inch hex shank, and multifunctionality allow drilling, countersinking, and counterboring in one step. Complete kits include multiple sizes, hex wrenches, and a sturdy storage case. Mini Square Woodworking Center Finder. The Sunlfprod. Mini Square Woodworking Center Finder is a compact, versatile aluminum alloy tool for precision woodworking. It functions as a center scriber, 90-degree square, protractor, and self-centering dowel drill guide. Precision pins quickly locate center lines or circles without manual measuring. Made from high-strength anodized aluminum, it resists corrosion while remaining lightweight and portable at just 2.5 ounces. Machined holes and an offset blade edge allow accurate markings with pencils or markers. Ideal for table saws, miter saws, router tables, and blade alignment. It often includes a flip stop, small magnet, and storage box for convenience and durability. Cabinet Clamps. The ECY Cabinet Clamps make cabinet installation faster, easier, and more precise. Featuring an integrated drill guide, they allow accurate pilot holes without repositioning the clamp. Dual direction alignment ensures face frames are flush, front to back, and tightly joined side to side. Crafted from high-strength anodized aluminum, these clamps are durable, rigid, and rust-resistant. Multi-size felt pads protect cabinet surfaces from scratches, while precision threads enable micro adjustments for perfect alignment. With a strong 440-pound grip and wide jaw capacity, 2 inches to 3 7/8 inches, they securely hold styles of varying thicknesses. Kits include 2 clamps, hardware, felt pads, and a convenient storage case.